What's up, you guys? Welcome back. Tonight I am heading into New York because I have an event and I was gonna sit down and get ready, and I was like, you know what? I want to get ready with my friends, aka you guys, so we're gonna get ready together today and I'm gonna show you guys how I got this look. This is pretty much like my go-to glam, so whenever I know that I have to look put together and glam, this is what I do. So we're gonna get ready together today. Give this video a thumbs up if you like Get Ready With Me's, and I can totally do more of these on my channel. And also, be sure to subscribe, of course, and join the family if you have not already. The subscribe button is right down below. I know you guys know where it is. And yeah, without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. All right, so today we're gonna get started with primer, and I'm actually trying out a new one today. This is one that I've never tried. I'm not really like loyal to a primer, so I feel like I'm always trying new ones, but this is the Pop Beauty 24K Face Base, so I'm gonna try this out today. And this is a primer, but it comes like with a spray, so you just spray it on your face. I'm gonna put my hair back because I'm a little nervous. But yeah, I guess I'm just gonna spray this. Oh, that scared me. It's cold. Okay, this squirts out like really, like it feels nice, but it squirts out pretty fast. I wouldn't say it's a fine mist, but I don't mind the way that it feels on my face. Oh, and it does give it a little bit of glow. And it does say to tap it into the skin after, so tap, tap, tap. For foundation, I'm gonna go in with the Too Faced Born This Way. I have this guy in Natural Beige. This is one of my go-to foundations. I'm sure you guys know that. And whenever I'm doing makeup where, you know, I know I have to go to an event or a special occasion or whatever, I always wanna look my best. So I always like to go with a foundation that I know works. So for me, that's this one. I'm just gonna blend that guy out. Like so. Literally, it's been freezing in New Jersey this winter, and then randomly today it's like almost 60 degrees, and I just don't even know how I feel about it. I'm just like, what kind of clothes do I wear? Do I wear a jacket? Comment down below what the weather is like where you live. I love to hear like what kind of climates and places things are like, especially during these cold winter months, so I can move somewhere that doesn't have snow, because I'm over it. For concealer, I'm gonna go in with Tarte Shape Tape. I have this guy in light medium, if you're wondering. I just feel like that's the shade that works the best for me to like brighten the under eyes, but not look like too stark white. And the under eyes is mainly where I focus this, and then just any areas that I have any blemishes or redness. And then again, just going in and blending that all out. You guys already know. Also, you guys, I'm gonna be doing a Valentine's Day makeup tutorial super soon because February is already almost here. So comment down below what kind of looks you guys wanna see for Valentine's Day, because it could kind of go two ways. You could do like super smoky, super vampy, like dark and sultry, but then you could also do kind of like light and natural and like feminine. So let me know down below like what you guys wanna see. I would love to hear. To set my under eyes, I'm gonna go into the Tarte Park Ave Princess Chisel palette. I've really been liking this. This has 2 matte highlighters and then 4 bronzers. So I'm gonna mix together the 2 matte highlights. And I'm just gonna use that to set my under eyes where we concealed. All right, face is done. So I'm gonna zoom you guys in and we will start with the brows and the eyes. So I'm gonna go in and do my brows first before we start the eyes. I've really been liking this new brow pencil from CoverGirl. This is the Ultra Fine Brow Pencil, and I have this in Honey Brown. I always feel like I have to do my brows before I do my eyes. Like the brows need to be done first for me to like really get the shape right for my eyes. I don't know, does anybody else feel like that? So I'm just gonna go in and do these brows real quick. And by real quick, I mean this will probably take me 20 minutes, but you guys will see like a little sped up version, because ain't nobody got 20 minutes to spare. Brows are done, so I'm gonna get started on the eyes. I'm gonna go in with this new palette. This is the Violet Voss Pro hashtag palette. It literally looks so pretty, so I had to use it today. Like, I love the colors. So I'm first gonna go in with Sauce, and I'm gonna work this into my crease, like so. But I'm gonna focus most of the color on the outer part of my lid, less on the inner part, if that kind of makes sense. Like on the outer crease, and then just kind of feather it to the inner crease. Next, I'm gonna go in with Goat, and this I'm gonna focus just solely on that outer part of my lid and outer crease, just to really deepen that up and smoke it out. I'm gonna take that same color and smoke it out on my lower lash line as well, just to kind of connect everything together. Then I'm gonna grab a little bit of Fresh to highlight. And I'm just gonna pop this in the inner corners and beneath my brow bone before I forget. And then using that same matte highlight, I'm just gonna pack this onto the rest of my lid as a base color, because we're gonna go in with some sparkle. I'm gonna pack this down first. Then on the rest of the lid, I'm gonna go in with the Stila Glitter and Glow liquid eyeshadow in the shade Wanderlust. It's so pretty. This is like a duochrome sparkle, and I am obsessed. How pretty is that? It's gonna pack this onto the front like 3/4 of my lid. JK, I just ended up putting it all over the lid because you can never have too much sparkle. But I'm gonna concentrate most of it in this inner part. Then I'm gonna go in and do a liquid liner, and I'm gonna use the Schwing liquid liner from the Balm. I have been obsessed with this liner recently. It's so good. It's so black, very precise, and very easy to work with. I'm gonna do a winged liner today. Trying to do liquid liner on camera without looking crazy is like top 10 hardest things I've ever had to do. For my lashes, I'm gonna go with the Icon lashes in the style Beverly Hills. Just gonna go in and pop these bad boys on. They're super dramatic and I love it. Then I'm just gonna go in and line my waterline. I'm just using the GG Maybelline black liner to do this. This is my fave. Now we're just gonna go ahead and finish off the face. So I'm first gonna go in with bronzer. This is the BH Satin Bronzer. And this is in the shade Tropical Tan. I wish I had a tropical tan right now. So I'm just gonna work this onto my cheeks to bronze. And then I'm gonna jump back in with the Park Ave Princess palette from Tarte to contour, and I'm going to use this shade right here. We're just gonna sculpt out those cheekbones. For my highlight today, I'm gonna use a new one. This is from Becca, and this is the new Light Waves highlighter palette. And there's 3 different shades in this palette, but I'm gonna go in with this golden one. And I am just gonna pop this on my cheeks. Yes, girl. Ooh, this is pretty. I'm also just gonna bring it down my nose as well. For my lips, I'm gonna first go in and line them. I'm gonna use the Stila lip liner in Pink Moscato. I literally have like 12 of this lip liner because I use it every day. Then for my lipstick, I'm gonna use this guy from Maybelline. This is in the shade Nude Thrill. This is a matte lipstick, but we're gonna go in with a gloss. For my gloss, I'm gonna go with this one from Fenty. This is in the shade Spacesuit. This is one of my faves. I wish it lasted a little longer, but the color is just too pretty to resist. I love it. But this is definitely one that you would wanna throw in your bag because you'll probably need to reapply it like throughout the night. All right, you guys, so this is the completed look. I hope that you did enjoy today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel down below if you have not already. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you so much, and I'll see you very soon in my next video. Bye.